If you're a processor of rubber products, you know that the unique characteristics of rubber demand machine knives, industrial blades and hand knives specifically designed to offer both ease of cut and predictability of cut. From beginning to end, new tire manufacturing and all types of rubber production all the way to rubber recycling operations, Hyde Industrial Blade Solutions gives the rubber industry the edge it needs. Our engineers and sales team are experts in the field of rubber cutting, new tire production, and rubber recycling, and we pride ourselves in working hand in hand with our customers to develop new solutions to improve yields, speed up production, and safely and effectively achieve customers' goals. Hyde Knives and Blades make short work of slitting, skiving, and cutting rubber. We work to match the ideal material alloy to each of your applications to maximize blade performance and cut quality. A simple, straightforward solution, just what you'd expect from Hyde. Hyde Industrial Blade Solutions produces long-lasting machine knives for most brands of cutting machinery used in the rubber products manufacturing industry. Our blades are produced in our 250,000 square foot plant in Southbridge, Massachusetts, where a team of highly experienced associates performs all manufacturing operations in-house, in accordance with our ISO 9001 registered quality system. Hyde has been making knives for rubber processors for more than a century, and the Hyde brand is a globally recognized name representing quality in rubber cutting tools. How do we do it? With a strong focus on cut quality and by delivering top performance on the factory floor. At Hyde, we strive to solve the rubber and tire industry's needs by working hand in hand with our customers to develop solutions. By listening to the voice of the customer, we work to eliminate your pain points and provide you with the best possible solution for your specific application. In addition to innovative designs, we achieve this by focusing on three driving principles, which we feel ultimately matter most to our customers. Consistent top quality. Hyde prides itself on delivering products that give the best possible performance, time after time. Zero returns isn't just talk, it's a driver of everything we do. On-time delivery. Ultimately, you depend on us to provide our products to you when we say we're going to deliver. At Hyde, we take this on-time premise seriously. Industry-leading lead times. Stock items need to ship off the shelf when you order them, but a lot of what we make is custom or make-to-order. Our goal is to deliver all make-to-order products with the shortest possible lead times, ensuring you have the blades you need when you need them. The end result to you, our customer, are machine knives that do the job right, each and every time. We work with our customers to develop solutions to specific issues and challenges, and we would like the opportunity to work with you. When you work with Hyde, you get solutions you can count on.